Hello again, this is V. This is week 3 now, and we are going to go to our week 3 submission task, which is blocks. So we are going to go here as video tutorials of blocks as a student and respond to another in the group. So what is a block? A block is one of these boxes you see on the either side of the center part of the screen or of the page. So for example, here on the left hand side, we have a box that says comments. You can add a comment if you have something to say about anything that's happening on the page or on the course. You have activities, and here this is my favorite part too. Completion progress, which tells you how much you have completed. So as you progress in the course, every little activity that you do or every little page that you read through and understand gives you a check mark. And if you miss something, it will show up as a blue box here, so you know you've missed something. For example, in this one it says I've missed video tutorials or resources available in the whatever. Okay. Then on the right hand side here, you have announcements, what's coming up. For example, in week 4, what's going to happen. You can click on an announcement to read further, or you can go to older topics if you've missed something important and you're looking for some information. Or again, here in upcoming events, what is in the pipeline for the rest of the course, for the remainder of the course. So these are all blocks. Each one of these is a block, 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 block. My favorite. Looking to see if I've got any badges, which I haven't for week 2 as yet. I have no idea why, even though I've completed all my activities and tasks. But as I've been told by Zahra, who is one of the moderators, I think you've got to wait because there are quite a few of us doing this course at the same time. So Dr. Nelly is going to have her hands full responding to everyone and going through everyone's work. Then at the bottom of the page here, you have some, this is a block 2. So you could click on something here, like if you want to leave the course, you could click this, it takes you out of the course. You have questions, you can go here. If you want to check on some of the courses that you're doing or look at what you have, go to another area, you can do that. Each one of these is like here, you can get support if you are struggling with something. Click here, it gives you support for the topics for what we are supposed to do for the week. You can add a new discussion in the forum. You can respond to someone. You can watch the instructions for the week, which Dr. Nelly posts here. So this is telling us what we're going to learn in the week and what is the tasks expected from us. So each one of these has so much information, and these are blocks. I hope I've made that a little clearer for everyone. Thank you.